Welcome to our channel. If you have limited credit history, follow these step-by-step instructions to get approved for a bank credit card. Step 1. Start with a secured credit card from your bank. These cards require a cash deposit as collateral and are specifically designed for people with no credit or bad credit. Step 2. Make your security deposit equal to the credit limit you want. Most secured cards offer credit limits matching your deposit, typically between $200 and $2,500. Step 3. Apply for a student credit card if you're enrolled in college. These cards have easier approval requirements and are designed for young adults building credit for the first time. Step 4. Consider becoming an authorized user on a family member's credit card. Their positive payment history can help you build credit, but ensure they have excellent credit habits. Step 5. Apply for store credit cards, which often have easier approval requirements. While these cards have limited use, they report to credit bureaus and help establish credit history. Step 6. Provide proof of income even if it's modest. Banks want to see you have steady income to make payments, even if it's from part-time work or student loans. Step 7. Apply during promotional periods when banks may have relaxed requirements. Some institutions run campaigns targeting new credit users with special offers. Step 8. Ask your bank about credit builder programs they might offer. Some banks have special products designed to help customers establish or rebuild credit with guaranteed approval. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.